Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your weekly love reading exclusively from February 17th till the 23rd. So if you are in a relationship, complicated situationship or marriage, think about a question. You will definitely get your answer. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what is happening in your love life. You have got the 4 of moons and the 3 of suns. And you've also got the 8 of moons and the 7 of suns. I do see that somebody who left you in the past without any explanation, ghosted you, did not really commit to you, or it was a situationship and they just got up and left. Maybe they were exploring other options and maybe something happened in their life. I don't know, but that person is definitely coming back into your life. I do see a passionate person coming back into your life and a passionate new beginning as well. It could be a physical attraction between the two of you. It could be a relationship choice. Now that depends, but I do see that this person somewhere left you, abandoned you, and you are sort of still in that stuck energy, right? So if you move past your energy, I do see you could also be meeting somebody new. It can start as casual, but eventually it can have potential to move into a more committed zone as well. So it is up to you. Either you want to take that person, or you want to start a new beginning. It is possible, but you have to come out of your stuck energy. The second card is also talking about the fear of the outcome, right? Especially when you're starting something new, you're very attached to that ex of yours, or that familiarity in the situation. When starting something new, you fear that, oh my god, I don't know how this person is going to be, I don't know how this relationship is going to be, right? So again, my advice to you will be that I understand what happened, I totally relate to it, but you'll have to come out of that fearful energy, right? Why? Because I do see success is waiting for you on the other side of yours. So that means if you're planning to move forward or say a yes to somebody or make that proposal, but you're feeling scared that that person is going to turn out to be exactly the same, then you have to, you know, throw that fear out of the window, because you have to climb this mountain, right? I do see you getting that success, but ultimately you have to climb the mountain. So you have to take the first step. First step, take that leap of faith, and I do see you eventually getting the success. Yes, I understand that I do see struggle in your relationships. I do see problems in your relationships, married life and personal life. For example, you're not getting the right partner, somebody you could trust. You're only getting people who are there for some time pass. If you are in a relationship already, your partner is not ready to commit to you for a marriage. If you are in a marriage, there are problems because there are constant fights or issues. I do see that kind of struggle. The cards are asking you to give the effort, to put in the efforts, to work hard towards your relationships and love life, because it's written for you. So unfortunately, in the third week, you will have to give your best. You'll have to give a little extra in your relationships, and then you can finally see success. So yes, you're going to get success, but after a lot of struggle and efforts as well. So I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to tell you. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know that this is exactly what is happening. And if you still have any doubts, if you still have any questions regarding this reading or otherwise, you can always book a reading with me, whether that's regarding your love life, career, health, anything. You can email me at asthasharma at the rate Astha Sharma 842 at gmail.com, or you can DM me at the Moksha Tarot. I forgot my own email address. Yes, so the charges are very cheap, they're very budgeted. You can check the description box, they're all there. And if you think there are some sort of blockages in your love life, marriage, career, money, fame, anything, you can even book a ritual with me. Alright? So you guys take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.